Good morning. This is Pattavi Raman. Welcome to the session. Today we are going to see about the topic supply chain management. What exactly it means. Supply chain management can be applied both for products as well as service. If you take a product, for example, a mobile phone, what are the activities involved in converting this mobile phone from basic raw material to the final customer till it reaches the final customer? There are many activities involved, starting from demand forecasting, then locating the supplier, negotiating, placing the order, then getting this item from various supplier. It can be from local sources or it can be from imported. When it is imported, the customs, import, export, all this activity has to be taken care till it reaches the factory. Once it reaches the factory, there will be lot of internal coordination work involved. For example, production scheduling and material requirement planning, inventory planning, all this has to happen. And finally, when the product is assembled, it has to reach to the customer. So in the final stages, it may go to various echelons or warehouses till it reaches the final customer. Okay, these activities starting from raw material till it reaches the customer, there are so many processes like we saw now, or most of this process are part of supply chain management. So if we take in a simple term, supply chain involves various activities like demand forecasting, then imports, exports, procurement. Then coming inside the plant, it can be inventory management, it can be production scheduling, material planning, supply planning, and on the other side it could be warehousing, dispatches, transportation, distribution, all this till it reaches the customer. So whole set of gamut of activity is known as the supply chain management. So supply chain management can be called in a different way in different organization depending on how is their organization structure. In the current latest context, many multinational companies, they have the supply chain management organization. In traditional company, they may be called in a different way, for example, as a materials department or purchasing department, planning department. But with the change in conditions, now it is a supply chain management which will take care of entire activities starting from raw material till conversion. Hope this is helpful to you. Have a nice day. Bye.